Did you know that one Roman general saved his entire empire by refusing to fight? When Hannibal crossed the Alps with elephants and crushed Roman armies, panic spread through Rome. Everyone wanted revenge. Everyone except Quintus Fabius Maximus. While Romans demanded blood, Fabius did something revolutionary. He shadowed Hannibal's army like a ghost, always watching, never fighting. When Hannibal tried to attack Roman towns, Fabius would strike his supply lines and disappear. When Hannibal camped, Fabius burned the surrounding farms so the enemy had nothing to eat. The Romans hated this. They called Fabius a coward. But month after month, Hannibal grew weaker while Rome stayed strong. The great Carthaginian general who had never lost a battle was slowly being defeated by an enemy who wouldn't fight him. This became known as the Fabian strategy. Centuries later, George Washington used the same tactics against the British. Sometimes the smartest way to win a war is to refuse to fight it on your enemy's terms.